What if we could erase genetic diseases before they ever appear? What if cancer, inherited disorders, or even aging itself could be edited out of our DNA? This isn't science fiction anymore. It's called CRISPR gene editing, and it may be the most powerful medical tool humans have ever created. CRISPR, short for clustered regularly interspaced short palindromic repeats, is a technology that allows scientists to cut, remove, or rewrite specific genes inside living cells. Think of it as molecular scissors, guided by G-Plusi, capable of editing the code of life itself. The technology was inspired by a natural defense system found in bacteria. Bacteria use CRISPR to remember and destroy viruses. Scientists realized they could repurpose this system to target human DNA, opening the door to revolutionary medical treatments. So, what can CRISPR already do? Today, CRISPR is being tested to treat genetic diseases like sickle cell anemia, beta thalassemia, cystic fibrosis, and certain forms of inherited blindness. In some clinical trials, patients have shown life-changing improvements after just one treatment. Cancer research is another major area. Scientists are using CRISPR to engineer immune cells that can better recognize and destroy cancer cells. This approach could make cancer treatments more precise, less toxic, and far more effective than traditional chemotherapy. CRISPR is also being explored for viral diseases. Researchers are investigating whether it can be used to target and disable viruses like HIV inside the human body, something previously thought impossible. But here's the big question. Can CRISPR cure everything? The short answer is no, at least not yet. While CRISPR is incredibly powerful, it isn't perfect. One of the biggest challenges is off-target effects, where the technology accidentally edits the wrong part of the DNA. Even a tiny mistake in our genetic code can have serious consequences. There are also diseases that are not caused by a single gene. Conditions like Alzheimer's, diabetes, heart disease, and most mental health disorders involve hundreds of genes plus environmental factors. Editing one gene won't magically cure them. Then there's the ethical debate. CRISPR raises serious questions about designer babies, editing embryos to enhance intelligence, appearance, or physical abilities. Many scientists fear that genetic enhancement could increase inequality and lead to a future where only the wealthy can afford better genes. Because of these concerns, many countries strictly limit or ban gene editing on human embryos. The scientific community largely agrees that CRISPR should be used to treat diseases, not to enhance humans. Another concern is accessibility. CRISPR therapies are currently expensive and complex. If these treatments become common, who will have access? And who will be left behind? Despite these challenges, the future of CRISPR is incredibly promising. New versions of the technology, like base editing and prime editing, are more precise and reduce the risk of unwanted mutations. Researchers are also developing safer delivery methods to get CRISPR exactly where it needs to go inside the body. In the coming decades, gene editing could transform medicine from treating symptoms to curing diseases at their genetic root. So, can CRISPR cure everything? Not everything. Not yet. But it has already changed how we understand disease, treatment, and the limits of human biology. CRISPR doesn't make us gods, but it does give us the ability to rewrite parts of our destiny. And how we choose to use that power may define the future of humanity.